Well, everyone, it's time for a different type of video. It's been a while since I've even been upfront in any way. Just kidding, I'm upfront every day, dude. This channel is so opinion based and I love it so much. Now, I'm going to show you guys, okay, my most popular video on my second channel just hit 1 million views, which is pretty impressive. I'm super happy about it. Thank you guys so much for supporting me like that. And it's this specific video right here, okay? It's how to connect Xbox One, yada, yada, yada. I'm sure you guys probably already seen it before, and I just uploaded this last year and it already hit this. And believe it or not, this is on my second channel. This is actually my most viewed video I dropped last year, which is really funny. My second one came pretty close, but out of the main channel and this one actually got more views, which is super impressive. So before I get too deep in this video, I want to tell you, I'm not selling anything. I'm not a marketer. I'm not like some guy. I'm literally just some random guy who made this video, okay? I don't know anything. It's pretty much 99% luck. But also you kind of have to write trends. Like I knew this was going to probably pop off. So I was like, all right, whatever. I'm just going to go and upload the video. And that's why I dropped it on my second channel because I didn't really know how much it was going to make. So now that I talked for 45 seconds, let me go and get cut to the chase. So hitting on the analytics, you can go ahead and see that from about a million views video, whatever, I got about $2,096 from this specific video. Now I will tell you, the CPM for this video is actually higher than I thought that this video was going to do, but it's actually pretty low compared to the other videos that I made. But my other videos usually don't hit 1 million views, so it's like kind of makes sense, whatever. Now here you can see that the views kind of were going off. I mean, a little bit. They were, here and there. By the time I think about a month in, it had about 100,000 views, which is cool. And so it kept going on and on and on, whatever. Right now, this $2,000 might seem like a lot from one video. Like, bro, you just uploaded this 5-minute video. How long was it? Like, yeah, 5-minute, 23-second video, bro. You made so much money from it. Yeah, bro, that's not the case at all. Literally, this 2,000 came from over a year. Now, granted, I didn't like send it anywhere. It just kind of organically happened. It's not like I did anything with it. I posted it and that was it. You can see YouTube search accounted for about 88% of it, which is most of the views. But I will tell you, if you really break this down to how long this video was up, like I was only making like $100-something per month from this. And if you work any job out there, like it's really not that much money if you think about it. I mean, it's a lot in terms of like, I posted it one time and for me posting one video and it came like this, that's pretty impressive. But don't think that you're going to randomly get a bunch of views and make a bunch of money from YouTube and all this stuff, because that's not the case at all. Now looking at the revenue, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So within the first month, I made about like $200-something off it, which is pretty good, I would say. But you can see that over time, it kept going up and up. And that's what's actually really cool about this. And the best thing about YouTube is that once you post a video, it'll keep generating revenue over and over and over again. And again, this might seem like a lot, but compared to like the other CPM from other videos, and I've seen other people make this type of video too, and they've actually been able to get CPM for like $5, $6, even $15 sometimes. So they would get like 15K from a 1 million viewed video, which is super crazy to me. And this video is on the lower end for being like $2 per 1,000 views or whatever it is. This is actually very low, but still, who am I kidding? It's a good amount of money for something that I posted one time. But here's the other thing to consider, and this is what a lot of people don't assume. They just see this 2,000, they're like, oh my God, you made that much money. Another thing you have to consider are how much money it took to make this video in the beginning with. Now, luckily for me, it didn't take that much money at all. I just, I already had an Xbox controller, I already had an iPad, I already had an iPhone, I think later on in the video too I brought. Okay, probably not, and I just installed Fortnite, like free game and all that stuff. So this video didn't take me much money to make. I already had everything there. But if you didn't, I mean, all these things cost money. The iPad costs money, the camera costs money. If you need a camera, you can use your phone. The controller costs money and all these things. So really the hardest part, as I've said before a billion times, is just coming up with the idea of the video. And sometimes you just know that Apple's going to bring the specific feature into the software and you just kind of have to make videos on it, just like how I'm doing on the second channel right now. So that's pretty much it. Again, it might seem like a lot of money, but break it down for over the year that this thing was up. And it was only like $100-something per month, which is still a lot. I'm not complaining about it. I just want to say thank you so much. I love you guys. It means a lot to me that I can even post videos like this. It's so crazy. And I don't think you guys understand. I couldn't do it without you guys anyway. So every day I wake up and I get like 1 view on these videos. It's super crazy to me. And the fact that just on this one video, the last 48 hours, I got 3,000-something views is super crazy to me. So that's a little bit about this second channel. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.